review.
Oops.
Okay, there's one thing that gets on my nerves every day, and that is Sky's Gaming. Look at this. 9 likes in 30 minutes. Just think how real that is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's see all his other videos. Oh my goodness, over 9 likes. Okay, let's see his other ones. Oh my goodness, it's 5. How did he get 5? Okay, 6. 10. Oh, whoa. 9. So what my thought is that he has 6 family members, and all 6 family members like his videos every 30 minutes when he uploads his video, or he has different accounts and he likes his videos like a lot. See, he says, oh, you have like bots, Lucho. You have like bots. You like your own videos, and you have multiple accounts. Well, think again. 9 likes in 30 minutes. I think you have those, Sky's Gaming. I think you have them. So you better shut your mouth. And you honestly suck as a YouTuber. You really do. I don't know a single funny videos of yours. Let's try to see one of your videos to see if they're actually funny. Well, before we see his funny videos, let's look at this I might quit YouTube video. Oh my gosh, he might quit YouTube? Well, guess what? He didn't. Oh my goodness. And I like how in that video he says, I've been getting so much hate recently, and no one's supporting my channel. That's like one of your first 5 videos. So what would you think, Sky's Gaming? Be smart, salty donkey. He literally looks like a donkey. Like, that video was so funny. Like, he put an ear rape in it. Like, that makes it so funny. Haha. Alright, let's look at his other funny videos. Right, edit by Cam the Bam. Right, totally not his video, but okay. See, anything that looks funny. Anything, ooh.
So what if I'm the monster?
Wow. That's literally a copyright video. So he had a different channel back then, and he made this new channel. And the other channel was by posting too many copyright videos, and it got terminated. So, yeah, he's kind of trash. Any other funny videos? Oh, let's see about this video. Freaking hate this intro. Actually, put in like, a good intro, actually. Like, what the... Dude, this gun is literally one shot. It one-shots every time. What do you think? It's like saying you're a sniper king, so you're not a sniper king if you don't hit one shot every single time. You freaking dumb nut. Oh my gosh, salty donkey. I swear, all these thumbnails are like taken from other videos. All these thumbnails are taken from other videos. This is actually stupid. Wow, so those are some really funny videos. Yeah, really funny videos. So I want to know what you think. All these videos are taken thumbnails. Most of these videos are not funny. Copyright videos, like bots.